France faces a hung legislature with no clear prime minister candidate after no party won an outright majority in the second round of the parliamentary election. Local media reported this on Sunday, citing final count data provided by the Ministry of the Interior. The right-wing National Rally Party (RN), linked to Marine Le Pen, which emerged as the frontrunner last weekend, finished third this time, winning 143 seats in the 577-strong National Assembly. The New Popular Front (NFP) also failed to secure an absolute majority in the legislature, winning 182 seats. In the first round last weekend, it secured only 32 mandates compared to RN's 37, but boosted results dramatically following tactical withdrawals by hundreds of candidates. President Emmanuel Macron's Liberal Ensemble coalition trailed the left with 168 seats, according to Le Monde. Turnout this weekend is estimated to have been 67.1%, according to Ipsos Talent, which would be the highest since 1997 if confirmed. Macron has refused to address the nation following the vote. The Élysée Palace said the president would analyze the election results before making any further steps, adding that he would wait for the new parliament to be formed to take the necessary decisions. The head of the state would respect the choice of the French people, the statement added. Prime Minister Gabriel Attal announced in the wake of the exit poll results that he would submit his resignation on Tuesday. Attal also stated he would never accept the fact that millions of people in France voted for those he called radicals. He also remarked that the strength of our values had prevented radical forces from getting an absolute majority in the legislature. We have achieved a result that we were told was impossible. The president must call on the New Popular Front to govern. Marine Le Pen said she had too much experience to be disappointed by a result where we double the number of our MPs. She also stated that the RN's ultimate victory is only delayed. Macron called early parliamentary elections in the wake of the RN's strong performance in the European Parliament elections early in June.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.